Hi, in front of me I have Motorola Edge 20 Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to insert the SIM card and SD card into this device. First, we need to lock the screen on our phone by pressing the power button. Now, we need to find the SIM card and SD card tray on our phone. Simply pick it up, and the SIM card and SD card tray on this phone is located right here on the left side of our phone, right above this button right here. We have the SIM card and SD card tray. To open this tray, we need to take a pin tool that usually comes with your phone. You could also use something like a paper clip, but I think the pin tool that comes with your phone is the safest bet, because basically it needs to fit right here into this hole. You could use something like paper clip or a needle, but this pin tool is the safest bet. It usually comes with your phone. Now we need to insert this pin into this hole, like this, and then we need to push it in, like that. The tray will pop out, and we can take it out with our finger. Also remove the pin, like this. And here we have our tray. Let's place our phone right here, pick up our tray, and here we have it. That's our SIM card and SD card tray. We have a SIM slot on it and SD card slot on it. To put the SIM card on it, simply take your nano size SIM card like this and place it on a tray like this. It only fits one way, so don't worry, you won't mistake it. Basically it's cut out to the shape of the SIM card. And to put the SD card on, grab your micro SD and place it on a tray like this. Like this. It also fits only one way, as you can see. Now we can insert the tray into our phone, but while you're inserting it, be careful, because the cards tend to fall off from the tray. On this tray they hold quite well, but sometimes they fell off quite easily, so be careful. Now we can pick up our phone, and we need to insert our tray into this hole. Make sure that when you're inserting the tray, that the side of the cards with the writing on them are facing the top, and then insert the tray and slowly slide it in till the end, like this. And now we can wake up the screen on our phone, and as you can see, the SIM card is already working, because we need to unlock it like this. And SD card is working as well, because we have the notification that the SD card is right here. We can tap on it and we can open it with files, for example. And here we have our SD card. And that's how you insert the SIM card and SD card into this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.